Okay, gang. I told you when I got it done, I'd make you a picture, and here it is. Just got it back. Got the wheels, tires on it. Put the bed rails back on. Uh, Painted it a light Confederate gray, which anyway, I'm a Southerner, so I like gray. Uh, Got me some snowflake wheels on it. Got them cleaned up. New set of tires on it. Powder coated the bumpers. Rebuilt them. Put the new headlights in it and turn signals. I didn't like them yellow turn signals, so I got the clear. They call them European lights. And I put them in there. And like I said, I powder coated all the bumpers. Went through it. My son's wanting me to get a thing called a duck bill to go on there. I don't know. Probably would look good. Some more black to break up all the gray, but I'm really pleased with it. Really pleased. It meets and exceeds my expectations. I guess last video I had on there, I sent back some people trying to help me figure out what I'd done wrong. But I'll tell you so you can hear it from me straight up. I got the cart in front of the horse, as my daddy used to say, and got in a hurry putting the pump on, and I put the out banjo bolt in the inlet to the pump, which didn't really work out too well. Wasn't getting enough fuel. Finally, I was talking to Giles up there at Performance Diesel, and we went through things step by step, and he said, well, just for the sake of something, pull the banjo bolts and try it. And of course, I've told you this before on my other videos. He knows his stuff, Giles does. Here's a picture of the interior. I put some seat covers on it. Probably ought to have the seats redone, but I haven't. But the dash and everything's perfect. 81,000 miles on it. Let me back up here we can see it. Put a sliding rear window in, and this particular model doesn't have the vent windows. They're fixed, so the more air you can get through it, you can. But it is air conditioned, but I ain't never been air conditioned fella. Hurts my head and just don't like it. But anyhow, pop the hood here. I'll show you. It really doesn't much under the motor except really get it running good. Bear with me, I'm sorry right here. I gotta get the latch to put it up with. There she is. I mean, it ain't fancy, it ain't real pretty like a whole lot of people's. But internally and everything else, it's great. It's great. I dropped a wrench and busted my windshield reservoir right there. But other than that, it's good to go. It is really good to go. I'm tickled to death. I really am. I'm tickled to death. Can't wait to get out here and enjoy it. You want to say something? Now don't just, well, everybody needs a life. See them tires right there? My wife got them from Walmart of all places. I was looking for tires one night and trying to figure it out. And she walks over and says, here's just some tires. And I'm not plugging Walmart, mind you, okay? I'm not doing that at all. But they look pretty good. They're like a European something sport design. My boy says they're drifting tires, but that's what 16-year-olds do. They like to do all that mess. But I really enjoyed this, and I've really enjoyed working on this truck and getting everything going. It's frustrating at times, but as you can see, it is it's well worth it. Got bed liner sprayed in. Just a little bit lighter gray than the rest of the truck. I'm gonna lay a card down here. Let you look at this. If you need any auto body or paint work done, right there's who you need to call if you're in the state of North Carolina, and especially on the western end up here like we are. HDZ, Auto Body and Detail Incorporated. They're down in Auto, North Carolina, and they did absolutely just a bang up job. I mean, bang up job. You'll see the tip. Yeah, my boy picked that out. Adds to it. But anyhow, it's not perfect by any means, but it sure suits the heck out of me. I really like it. I really like it. So hopefully we can get a whole lot of enjoyment out of driving it and running around in it. I want to enjoy not stopping at the gas station every time I run by, because like I said, it's a sweet little truck. So if you drive through a junkyard and you see one sitting there, stop and talk to them. May have a little 1.6 naturally aspirated diesel in it, and you can always get your motor and put in it, but body's sound and everything's in there that you need. Parts ain't really that bad for them. I mean, I guess I've looked at some videos, and a lot of these boys have absolutely done some kind of job. They put these like VR1 something, and I don't know, gas motors. Like I said before, if you watch my videos, I'm a Southern. I just like diesel. I like diesels, and I like diesel trucks. Anyway, well, I'm gonna cut it off here. You've listened to me run my mouth for long enough. Y'all take care. God bless, and have a good one.